How did you link with Aidonia in the first place?
Aidonia find me. Me they have my studio at Princeville Plaza.
Mm-hmm.
So him come and I search me and see my brother and introduce himself and make him know say I'm an artist. So my brother say, yo, DJ something make me hear. And him impress my brother when him DJ. So media trim my ear because Princeville have two different sides, you know. You see me, have a right and a left side. So media over the left side, I go so bumps and I trim my ear. So when me go so boom, and I come out of the barber shop, my brother right out at the front, and I say my brother with a youth, I never seen from Adams, and my next to virgin them. So brother said to me, yo, Chad, you need to hear that youth, yeah. I said, My brother say, yo, him bad. My brother, I said, let me hear you know. When him open him mouth, you know. No, before him open him mouth, I say, here what happen? Yeah, from right here, so, till me reach over my studio, the impress me. The impress me my voice, though. If you not impress me, you have to just go and put in some work. Man, open him mouth, I go so, huh? DJ again. I say, DJ again. The first time he voice Aidonia, and the first time Aidonia going on one studio, go record. The first time in my life, a 4 song the voice with Aidonia. 4 songs.
One time.
Then, when Aidonia come in, acting already in the camp, you know, and some other young artists, you know, and me turn to the money man say, Aidonia gonna be the first man for boss out of that group here. And then Octane, because Octane they have a drive and a perseverance whenever normal. Octane deliver Clarendon. So it's like me used to give him $1,000 every night for take the bus, for go down. You know, bus here no expensive them time there. You must spend like most $30 or $40 for reach a Spanish Town and then take some from Spanish Town and go Clarendon. See, but Octane used to be the first man at the studio, man in time. And him live a country. You get what I say? So, I will heap of youths, my brother, man. You see, in the latter part here, artists like Cargo, and me carry him go vice him. One day with him. And me carry liquid, go for liquid a zip, and carry him go vice wife, you walk out and me to stand up.
Yes. He told me that. He
Now,
definitely told me that.
And me carry Cargo go vice him. Sean never want vice him for one day with him. Ask Cargo anytime you see him. He will tell you, say, it was me. Fambo combination with Beenie Man, Roman Red Bull. And me tell Beenie for demo the punchline, because Fambo couldn't DJ it good. And when Beenie DJ it, I say, yo, Fambo, you cannot DJ that wickeder than how Beenie deliver it like a while. It have to go be a combi and him say, yo, me I go ask Beenie. Me say, me not ask Beenie nothing but man. I tell Beenie say it's a combination this. You get what me I say? So when Beenie come out of the voice, I say, yo, it's a combination this. And you me anything up to 3. Because I eat with Beenie so many times. Remember, say, listen, I say, we not beg no see you long because we don't have with things. And me produce it. And put it out on a label name, All Access for Boss One Distribution Company, where me and G them they fly a Central Plaza. You see in the streets distribution, and me boss that when Murray was alive, and me they give Vegas to Murray for managing.
What?
You get me? I say, how all the things go on, brother man? All the things. When Jah Cure incarcerated, and me start that big fire there where Jah Cure come back for run the world after. Because I me first voice I it sang with him when him incarcerated, when him sing pan me guitar with him when him soul food. And say, woman, I love you, need you, and I can't do without you in my world. And Chuck Fender say, girl, Chuck Fender say, oh my Lord, it wicked local and abroad. Richie Spicer said the world is spinning around. See? And then we put out our next rhythm. And Jah Cure said, girl, where you there from when? Chuck Fender said, murderer.
Hold on. That was your rhythm, boss?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Warrior King song say, I breath of fresh air, I breath of fresh air. In a weird day's life, you know, my music will be there. Me produce that too. RDX them biggest song. Bend over, bend over, bend over. In the. Me produce it.
How did that come up? I need to hear this one here with RDX. How did you make that happen?
Here what now? I actually was one of the men where they helped discover RDX crew from when there was 5 members in it. And then it cut down to 3, then it cut down to 2.
I've only known RDX as 2 people.
All right, it was 5 of them first.
Mm-hmm.
See? Now, when we go to bumps now, and my bill a rhythm, Cleavy, bill a rhythm for me for a girl song where me have say, wine on it, climb on it, tick tock, take time on it.
Yes.
See? My bill a rhythm for that song there. Mm-hmm. But when my bill a rhythm, every time you hear the rhythm, you hear RDX them. I say, yo, me hear the man them, you know. So anyway, Renegade, in Bill rhythm as well, you know. And me want a rhythm to build, so me call him over my studio. Mm-hmm. At this time, me never say, me have a voice him on the rhythm, you know, because the rhythm build for a single. You get me? Mm-hmm. So, in the middle of him, building a rhythm for me, me turn to him and say, yo, you must say me have a rhythm your way. You're not going to get on the biggest hit song after. So, them time them have around 5 or 6 songs a go on in our system, you know. Never padlock the system, but it a go on. Mm-hmm. So, me hear him give me a thing name. I say, all right, cool. So, me just go so while in my belly rhythm, me just turn up, because I have on him headphone. Me just go so boom and turn up my speaker with my rhythm. And me see him go so and shift one headphone. I say, yo, who's rhythm that, man? I said, the same rhythm, me tell you, say, you go get the biggest song off. And man said, man, move the next headphone and stop the rhythm with my bill now. Mm-hmm. And man, I listen to rhythm, and I just hear the man say, in there. And me say, where you get that something from? Yeah, no, man, we can't use that, man. I fire links. When you play a dagger song, man, you must say, in there. And me say, listen to me now. Fire links have to go vex with we, you know. Because we are use that and make a song. So, me and him go some boom and we did our vibes. Vibe out the lyrics them. Lay down the lyrics them. Zane, when we lay down the lyrics them now, remember I said the singer never did it because we never planned for voice originally. Mm-hmm. So when he done lay down the lyrics, him say, yo, call the singer, make go find a hook. This need a hook. So when we go to Bamson and the singer come, me I gotta tell you something where not even you or nobody can figure it out unless me tell people. The melody, bend over, girl. Back way. Mm-hmm. Which one am my punchline them that are my melody? Nobody can tell me them girl you not come from both way.
What? Hold on. So you're telling me that's originally where that melody came from?
Yeah. Then I hear it. Bend over, turn back way. Girl, I want to put you in a little bit close. Yeah, man.
This doesn't even make sense now. But when you say it, that totally makes sense here because I was surprised when I heard you produce RDX. I said, nah, I didn't know their hit song. Did not know that.
Yeah, man. With them biggest song. You know, the song that made Buju's album Too Bad come out because Buju had to basically rush that album. That Too Bad is on, and I don't know if you had seen when he was putting out the posters to advertise it, but on the front you saw featuring hit single Fast Lane, Waistline. Me produced them 2 songs there. Buju said, roll up in the feds and my food getting so calm. Zane, me produce that, and him said, girl, nobody walk out your waistline, walk out your spine. Zane, them 2 songs, then the next song were the reasons why Driver was coming out, but especially Fast Lane, because Fast Lane was being playlisted in America on the major stations. You get to me, I say? So that did force him to put out an album. If you notice on that album cover when he was advertising, you never see Driver, because Driver come bust after the album come out.
You're right.
You get to me, I say? Yeah, man, I history me at that, man. I don't know makeup or no put on. You see me, because before Buju got incarcerated, I was voicing all the songs for Buju, whether he's voicing for other producers. He never trust them, him trust me for voicing. So when him voice TG, the producer, if him voice John, if him voice whoever, and me take him voice. And my studio too. You get what I say?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.